Hey there everyone, welcome to iPad Essentials. In this video, we will talk about how you can connect any Bluetooth mouse to your iPad. And here in this case, I'm going to use this Logitech MX Master 3S and let's see how we can connect with the iPad. Connecting these accessories will significantly improve your productivity. Even if you do not use it, I would definitely recommend you to connect these accessories at least once. That will give you context whether you can replace your laptop with iPad. So without further ado, let's see how we can connect it. Okay, so now here you will probably see the iPad screen. Let's press downward and type setting. And after opening setting, we need to search for Bluetooth. And here we go. Here we can see Bluetooth is here on the top. Now here what you need to do in your mouse, you need to press the pairing button. And after you press the pairing button, here you can see that the mouse is now visible in Bluetooth setting. Let's click on it. And then we need to click on pair. And there we go guys. Here we can see MX Master 3S is now connected. And so we can also see here my mouse cursor is completely visible. With new iPadOS, here you can, open any app. You can see how much now it is optimized for mouse use. You can open any application and can minimize it. You can also open, let's say, you have opened already a tab and then can click on open another window. And that's how you can open or access another window. And here we also have got option of stage manager probably. If you click on it, now let me actually make it a full screen. So we can also enable it to further improve our productivity. Now just like in any desktop based app, here we can adjust our window size. And in this way guys, we can also perform multitasking very efficiently utilizing mouse. So what do you think about trying it by yourself? I would suggest you to try connecting your Bluetooth mouse with your iPad and see if you find any difference in terms of productivity. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essentials to follow more such iPad related videos, tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video related to iPad. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.